Yo, hey yo, yeah, shut that bitch the fuck up. Yeah, we in the spot, nigga. Like yo, and yo, niggas ain't half for me. So what you have for me? It's so savagery, catastrophe. I'm rhyming like somebody's after me. I Hulk mode, smash a beat. Charcoal silver, metallic jeeps conceal the black heat while playing the back streets. Pound cake, these niggas that sweet. Plus your shit artificial, syndicate get you, the chopper blick you like it's acupuncture. I'm glad you wonder how me and Dawn smashed the summer. I'm rocking Stanley Bleecker furs, he and hers, MAK verse, a Kia bird, nigga. Your Nikes ain't never seen the curb, that's my word. Some niggas nice, but most be herbs though. Straight Henny on the block, it ain't no Merlot. Dookie ropes and shell toes like I'm from Hollis, Queens. The infrared or the money green plus some machines and some more shit. But nigga, that's the short list. I could keep going, but motherfucker, I get a sore wrist. Nigga, music and knowledge.
Yeah, I waterboard the victim. MP9 torch niggas, my young boy. I do a homie out the four-wheeler. Samurai swore killer, the force pilger. In war I'm skillful with a top knowledge, but you was a poor builder, raw flipper. You never been in the field cause you was a porch nigga. Two-door sport whipper, cigar splitter. How you claiming you a shooter but you never popped a torch, nigga? Don't get your shit scorched, nigga. The 12 swarming. I had a Mac with the coke in the Benz grill. Bitch, I been ill. Meet the ends will. I pull up and pepper your windshield.
He seems to choose his victims randomly, approaches them quickly at night, and blasts them with a semi-automatic handgun. Tonight, police tell CNN the serial shooter in their city has struck again.
We believe the serial street shooter shot at the car. Fortunately, neither the man or the child were struck.
Profilers say he's a narcissistic psychopath.
What we have here is a person who cares not about anybody else but himself. He gets a big thrill out of anything that draws attention to him. He wants to feel powerful and in control. He has no empathy whatsoever.